Good morning, my dear students. So, today we are going to learn a new lesson, Unit 12, Know Your Land. So, in this we are going to learn many interesting topics. So, let's begin the class. Yes. So, in the first page of the lesson, you can see that a grandmother is telling a story to her grandson. What was the story, children? It was the story telling about the differences in the past and the present. So she was telling that in the past, the houses were made with detached roofs. Detached roofs means the roofs which is made with dry grass, coconut, bamboo, etc. And the floor was used with cow dung or any other animal dung. And at night, kerosene lamps were used for lighting. And uri was used for grinding the grains. And ural was used for storing the food items. And earthen vessels and pots were used for cooking the food. And the transportation was not proper. It was very much limited during that period, and schools were at distant places. So since there was no transportation, proper transportation, only few children got education from school. And the roads were also not in proper condition. So the people has to carry the heavy loads on their heads and go. So this all were the things the grandmother told to her grandson. So there are many changes which happened from past to present. So let's look some of the changes in various fields. We can compare the about the past and the present in various fields. First, we will take agriculture. In the past, agriculture was the main occupation of the people, and they used to cultivate many crops like paddy, tapioca, different types of tubers, pepper, vegetables, banana, coconut, cotton. So many different varieties they used to cultivate. But nowadays, agriculture use has been limited. Nowadays, people are cultivating coconut, rubber and plantation crops like tea and coffee. These are the chief products nowadays. Now, when we come to occupation, in olden days, agriculture, as I told you earlier, agriculture and trade. Trade means buying and selling goods. This was the main occupation during the past. But nowadays, industrial base, going to offices, service activities, many are happening nowadays. Now, if you look at the games, we used to play in the past Nadan Pandagali, Kuttiyum Kolum, Kabaddi and all. We used to play Chaturangam and all. These are the games we commonly used to play during the past. But nowadays it is cricket, badminton, tennis, football and all. Now if you look at the vessels, vessels are made up of copper, bronze and clay during the past time. Earthen vessels and pots were used for cooking food. But nowadays there are steel plates, then glasswares, plastic wares, aluminium plates, aluminium plate wares, aluminium steel wares, everything is available nowadays. Then comes in public institutions. Schools, panchayat office, telegram office, post office, library. These were the public institutions in the olden days. and the people used to go to the library to read the newspaper and books also, and also to hear the radio news. Hospitals were very limited in number, and rarely these people in the past, rarely people used to go to the public institutions. But nowadays, the public institutions, people used to go every day, like schools, hospitals, government services, publics. There are a lot of public institutions nowadays available. Now about food. In the past, they eat the food from the locally cultivated items. That is rice, porridge, jackfruit, elephant fruit yam, tapioca. These were the common food items, and fish and meat was also included in the food item. Okay, and limited number was brought from the market, because I told you that their main occupation was trading, that is buying and selling goods. And surplus amount was sold in the market. But nowadays, in present situation, all the food items are given and taken from the other places. So that is the difference between the food items. Now coming to dresses. People during the past, they used to dress according to their religious belief. They used white dhoti, a lungi and a towel, and shirts were rarely used, and at that time most of the people used cotton dresses. But nowadays, in present situation, there are various types. Shirts are being used, and cotton, polyester, silk, many different varieties of dresses are available nowadays. Now coming about the transportation facilities. Transportation was very limited during the past. People used to go by walking. They used to carry heavy loads on their shoulders, and the roads were also not proper, not developed at all. And some people use bicycles, some people use postcart, bullock cart, etc. to travel from one place to another in olden days. And rich people and all used to go in pallak, that is palanquin, and the water transport was yacht or vallam. Water transport was yacht, a boat, which is a boat which they use for water transport. But nowadays there are motor vehicles, train, aeroplane, different kinds of cars, everything are available nowadays. So this is about the differences we see, and also about the light system. In olden days, oil lamps were used for lighting, like kerosene lamps and all. But nowadays, there are different types of electric bulbs are used, and we are using it with electricity. In olden days, there were no much electricity used. So these are the changes which happened from past to present. And even in olden days, many home appliances were made up of wood. And people used to sit down for taking the food, and chair, tables, almost all the furnitures were made up of wood. And people used to celebrate festivals also, like national festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day were celebrated in the schools as before and now. And also many religious festivals like Onam, Bakrid, Vishu, Christmas, Eid. This all were celebrated in their homes by all the people together. So now also we do the same thing only. So these changes are occurring due to the needs of the people. As the needs increases, many changes began to occur. And these changes had led to the improvement of the standard of people's life. Many improvement has taken place in the people's life when we compare from past to present. Now you can see a picture, children. This is the load rest. It was common in all the roads during the past time. It was made up of a flat stone and supported by two stone pillars. So that it is useful for the people who carry heavy loads on their shoulders or heads. They can load and reload the goods whenever they want without the help of others. So this is one type of historical monuments in India. So this is about today's topic. So we studied a lot of differences in today's topic about the past and the present. So hope you all have understood it. Bye children.